Hey everyone, this is Alex from Smart Life, and in today's video we're going to install Tuya Local into Home Assistant. This will probably be my last video of 2025. It's been almost a year since I started this channel, and it's been a really interesting journey. I'm genuinely happy to see that my videos help some of you along the way. 8,000 subscribers, so thank you for that. It really motivates me to keep going. Tuya Local is not available in the official HACS repository, but if you keep watching, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. This video is also a follow-up on an alternative solution to something I covered before, adding LEDVANCE devices to Home Assistant. Previously I showed how to do this by linking the LEDVANCE app to SmartThings, and then bringing those devices into Home Assistant through the SmartThings integration. However, that option no longer works, and one of you pointed this out in the comments, so thank you for that. As an alternative, I'll show you how to add LEDVANCE devices using Tuya Local directly into Home Assistant. Before we begin, a quick clarification. This is not the old Local Tuya method. In the past, if you wanted Local Tuya, you needed to create a Tuya IoT account, set up a project in the Tuya cloud, configure multiple settings, and then link everything manually to Home Assistant. That is the official Local Tuya integration in HACS, and while it works, it takes quite a bit of time to set it up. What we're using today is newer and much simpler approach, Tuya Local, which is easier to install and faster to configure. Before we start the Tuya Local installation, you'll need just one thing: HACS installed in Home Assistant. If you don't already have HACS installed, I made a dedicated video about this a few months ago. I will leave the link in the description below. Follow the steps from that video to install HACS in Home Assistant. For the HACS setup, you'll need a GitHub account, but everything is explained step by step in that video. Once you have HACS installed, we can move on with the setup. In Home Assistant, we need to go to HACS and click the three dots on the right hand side here. Click Custom Repositories and paste in this link. I will leave this link in the description below. Then choose Integration, and then click Add. And then Tuya Local should appear here. Now we close this, we go to HACS again, and then look for Tuya Local. There it is. The integration is in HACS. Click on it, and then scroll down and press Download. And then click Download. After it's been downloaded, it will ask you for a restart. You need to do a restart of the Home Assistant system. You need to go to Settings, System, and then click on the right hand side there and restart your Home Assistant. Now we need to go to Settings, Devices and Services, Add Integration, and look for Tuya Local. Click on it, and then from here you have three options. The first option, Smart Life Cloud Assisted Device Setup, will bring all your Tuya devices into this Tuya Local and it will run locally. But if you have a Tuya integration and you have some devices there and you want to bring them to run locally, click on that one, click Next, and follow the instructions. It's very easy. On the second option, which we will cover in this video, it's manually provide device connection information. Now we're going to bring a LEDVANCE device into Home Assistant. To do this, you'll need the LEDVANCE app with the device already paired and working inside the app. From there, we'll extract a few important details, which we'll then use to manually add the device to Tuya Local. For this example, I'll integrate the device called LED Dining using Tuya Local. Open the device in the LEDVANCE app and tap the three dots on the right hand side here, and then select Device Information. From this screen, copy the following details: Virtual ID, MAC address, local key. Next, open your router's admin interface and look for the device using its MAC address. This will allow you to identify the device and note down its IP address, which we'll need in the next step. Now that we have the information we need from the LEDVANCE app for this device, just click Next. On the first field, Device ID, copy and paste the virtual ID you copied earlier. In the second field, paste in your IP address you found in your router, and then paste in your local key. On protocol version, you can choose 3.3, but you can set it to auto as well. And then click Submit. And that is it. Now the device type, it's an LED strip, so automatically knows what it is. Now click Submit, and you give it a name. I will call it LED, and then click Submit. Skip and finish. And this is the device. The LED from LEDVANCE in Local Tuya in Home Assistant. So, what are the benefits of running devices with Tuya Local? First, you can integrate LEDVANCE devices directly into Home Assistant and they run locally without relying on the cloud. This is a big plus for me, and the same steps can also be used for other LEDVANCE smart devices. Second, Tuya Local allows you to bring all your Tuya-based devices into Home Assistant and run them locally as well. The setup is quick and straightforward. It only takes a few minutes. I hope this helped. If you found the video useful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know how the integration worked for you and if you ran into any issues.